So this is for my calendar management. First, I need to go to Google Calendar. And then on October 9, I will set an event. This is my MBA orientation. We will start at 7 p.m. up to 8 p.m. I will add guests, the search team, and then add description. So, MBA orientation, basic Canva, basic use of Canva, Loom, and Chat GPT. And then save. Then from October 10 to 13, this is my MBA online class. So add time, start at 9 a.m. up to 11 a.m. So on October 16, I will have my MBA coaching. At 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Guess will be search. Then save. And then October 17 up to 20 is my MBA online class. So this is my call discovery. So I'll make sure that I'm free. That's it.